it's here, my March Wantable box. I am so excited, you guys. This one has some new, trendy, like high waist, but baggy, cropped denim, and some really fun things that are really stylish. And I'm in my 40s, but I still want to look awesome, so I can't wait to show you. So go make yourself a special little drink. Come on back, and let's do this Wantable. Okay, here it is. It just arrived last night and I had to open it up, and then I was trying to put it back and I realized, how did they even do that without squishing it? I don't know. They're magic. Magic, I tell ya. So I have some really fun things, and I'm going to be posting my sizes, these sizes, prices, all the things you guys asked for. I'm listening. What's hardest is remembering. So I'm going to try really hard to remember. Okay. My name is Erin. I am 42 years old. I have kids. I have lots of animals. And I'm ready to show you what I got. I'm tall, 5'10". I weigh roughly 150, 155 pounds. And I have a hard time with my sizes because just before Christmas, I got back into my favorite workout program because through COVID, I don't know about you, but I certainly gained my fair share of COVID pounds, and I think someone else's too. So I have been eating healthier and exercising, feeling fantastic. But my sizes, I think I dropped one jean size, possibly two. So I'm somewhere in the 150, 155 pound range. 5'10", size 10, maybe it's closer to an 8 now. Let's find out. What do we have first? Not even clothing. It's a purse. So this was on my want list. It is, I love green. Love green. This is Ampere Creations vegan leather. It does actually feel like a really nice, boy, this stuff has come a long way, hasn't it? You remember back in the day, like they had vinyl or they had leather, which makes it affordable. It is a convertible crossbody backpack in army green, $58. And let's double check and make sure that that's full price. Yep, full price. I do have 2 sale items in this box. This is not one of them. So what I liked about this was it was going to be like a crossbody purse, or it has convertible straps to be a backpack. So we will try that out. It's noisy. It's got a lot of tags and stuff going on. So looking forward to trying that one out. Okay, next up is a, same green. I think my stylist saw that I like green. I do. It's a good color. It works for me. This looks kind of like almost like a fitted sweater. It's actually super soft. The sleeves look long, so that might be good for me. This is a Metric Knits Ottoman hoodie in deep Loden Heather. This one is a size medium. $69. All right, up next, this is something that I actually put on my I like it list. This is a 78 and Sunny brand. I want to say, is that a California brand? I can't remember. But I thought it was going to be a cute take on a casual sweatshirt, so we'll see. It is black and ivory, size large, $69. And what do we have here? Oh, same brand, 78 and Sunny. Don't you wish? Actually, it was lovely. It was like 55 today, and the sun even came out. Okay, we have a super soft boyfriend tee in black. This one is on sale, $21. Now, the lights are washing it out. I promise it is a regular black. It looks like a super deep V, which works well on me. I've got broad shoulders. So, okay, now for the denim. What is the first pair we got here? Oat of New York, like oatmeal. This is a super thick tag. High rise, relaxed, straight in heritage, size 30, and it is $79. A little bit of distressing. I think that's high. It definitely looks like a high-rise, high-waist, which I like. What does it say? It doesn't say much else. Okay, and got a little bit of distressing on the cuffs there, and a little bit on the knees. Not too much, not totally blown out. Not that I mind. I've got some jeans that are blown out. Okay, can't wait to try those. Oh, let's make sure those were full price. High-rise straight. Yep, $79. Okay, because I know one of these is on sale. I think it's the last one. This one is French dressing jeans, mid-rise. Olivia is the style. These are wide leg ankle in dark indigo, size 10 at $125. And they have, look at that, they have like a seam sewn in on the front and the back. I'll try these on for you here momentarily. And then the bottom is like, just like cut, and there's also a little stitching. So if you're someone who likes a little bit of distressing, but not too much, this is gonna stop it at like ½ an inch. Get a little distressing, but not too crazy. These would be really cute with heels, I think. I'm pretty sure they would be. So maybe I'll get some heels out. I've got orange heels. That would be super cute. Okay, last pair. Ooh, this is the pair on sale. These are the Erica Stretch Mom Jeans by Vervet, V-E-R-V-E-T. Los Angeles. I was going to say that sounds French. Nope, just something we'd come up with in the U.S. Okay, they are, oh, there we go. They were normally $68. They are now $51. I like $50 jeans, size 30. I do like a distressed black. I'm very hands-on. A lot of cooking, a lot of cleaning, a lot of chasing chickens. So, okay, that's what I got. All right, guys. So I have 5 days to try these. Once I had a really busy week, and and I asked, like, they send you an email, like, you need to send this back, or do you want more time? Click here for more time. I'm like, more time. And it like automatically gave me 2 or 3 more days, which I really only needed 1. So it worked great. They really work with you. I really am happy with this company. I've been doing it for, I don't know how long. Check. I have like a whole bunch of these. But yeah, they totally work for me. So, all right, let's do the fun part. Let's try them on. Okie dokie, we are outside. I just ordered a very nice lighting kit, but it is not here yet. So we're gonna try to see how outdoor lighting works, because the cheap lighting I have is just terrible. And it just takes all the fun out of this. So we are outdoors, and you might hear from my dog and maybe my chickens. So it'll be just like a fun adventure. Alrighty, I put on the oat jeans. Very, very high rise. High waist, slightly distressed. They're a nice thick denim with just like the tiniest bit of like stretch and comfort. They are incredibly comfortable. I am discovering, unfortunately, they're like a size too big for me. Again, trying to figure out what my sizes are. I ordered them in a size 30. I could swap them out for a smaller size as an option. They have the cute little distressed there. I'll move the dog brush off the chair. You guys can see better. Distressed kind of ankle length. Anyway, super cute. And then I have the, and those jeans are $79. Did you hear my rooster? Okay, next up, I have this boxy t-shirt. This is by 78 and Sunny, which I like their stuff. It's very comfy. Definitely a boxier. This one is a size medium, and it's on sale for $21. kind of liked it. There goes Napoleon again. I kind of liked it tucked just a little. Okay, let's try more. Okay, I have put an entire another outfit on. So these are those like fancy jeans with the, you see, like the sewn seam down the front and the back. Remember I told you I was like, I'm gonna try those with heels. So there you go. I've got some little nude pumps with them. And I don't know if I would put this sweater with it or not, but just piecing together a couple things to show you multiple at once. We'll show you. It's got a nice wide leg there that I like. I think they're super cute. Again, they are too big for me, so darn. Again, I have the option to totally swap them. They'll send me out right away a different size at no like extra charge or anything. So that's really nice. So these are Olivia wide leg ankle jean in dark indigo. They're size 10 at $125. So these are a little bit of a pricey, higher price point there. The top I have on is an Ottoman hoodie in Heather Deep Loden. So this is the one that's like crazy, crazy soft. Can you see that? Really soft. And it's a little more fitted. I think it is, yeah, size medium, $69. And again, you can see my jeans through it because they're too big. Okay, and let's test out the hood. Good, nice hood. It's got a lot of stretch to it. I think it'd be very forgiving. And with this outfit, I brought out that purse, which I discovered when I was on the site. Now this happens, you guys, when you go to check out or check to see if there's another size on something you like, you will see the current prices. This has happened to me before. Something will go on sale that wasn't on sale when they mailed it to you. So the purse that we were talking about earlier was originally $58. Now it's $29. So let me show you that convertible crossbody backpack in army green. So we're going to check out what that does. So I kind of tried to figure it out a little bit. It has like these little hook things that were hooked to the bottom, turning it into a backpack. So I unhooked those, and I think that's how it does the crossbody thing. It's possible that there's another way. But you get the idea. Be a nice crossbody. Boy, my rooster is going to town, isn't he? But I love the color. It's nice, soft, nice, deep. Could definitely put a lot of stuff in here. Pretty lining. I don't know if I showed you before, but it does have a little dust bag, which is nice. Lots of pouches. Lots and lots of pouches. I like the pouch that goes up against your body is great for your phone, because I always have my phone on vibrate, so if I get a call, I can feel it. So that's always nice. And then for the backpack function, I think it works better if you let the straps out a little, but we'll get the gist of it right here. I think this would be good for travel if you want to go like crossbody, or if you're out and about in town and you want to swap it to a backpack. I am a big fan of backpack purses. So of course I was super excited when those came back in style, and I've got one. I've had a couple over the past couple of years, for sure. So I love the hands-free. You just put it on. I'm one of those shoppers that like parallel parks their shopping cart and just goes up and down the aisle looking for stuff. Okay, how do we turn it into a backpack? We'll shoot. There, like that. Ta-da! I promise it was easier to do not on camera. So, there we go. I am absolutely bringing back the retro style with this one. I have that like kind of nice little fuzzy, super crazy soft sweatshirt. And then I have, what is the deal with my rooster? Must be one of those days, huh? These are the Vervet Distressed Stretch mom jeans in black. Oh man, they're on sale for $51. 51. They are way too big. They're stretched, so you can't tell. But they are, like, I could stretch them out. Wait, they're just too big, which is a shame because they are very, very comfy. They've got, yeah. So, do you like distressed? Love it or hate it? Either you love it or hate it. I love it. But they're kind of, can you see me? Ankle length. They'd be cute with a cuff. They're crazy comfy. And the sweatshirt is Big Sur LS top in black and ivory, size Napoleon, size large, and it is $69. So a few things to think about here. Deciding if I should check and see if they have some smaller jeans in this black color, because I'm kind of really liking them. And I like this top. The price is a little higher than I would like to spend, but I do feel like it's something I'd wear all the time. And if you do know, did I mention this? If you buy 5 of the 7 items, you get 20% off. So 20% is kind of big. I've done this before where I was going to buy like 3 or 4, and then it was just cheaper to buy 5 or the same price because of the 20% off. So I don't know, kind of makes it fun. So what did you guys think? What would you keep? What do you think I should keep? It's so hard to know. I always end up loving so much of their stuff. I always joke to my husband, it's like someone's sending me a present. They know what I love and I'm getting a gift. I just love it so much. Okay, as always, I'm going to leave my little coupon code on the bottom for you if you want to give it a try. I don't think you can go wrong. Love it. All right, thanks for watching. And if you want to subscribe, I do these at least once a month, just depending on what I can afford. Sometimes 2, sometimes more.